Hey, my name is Daphne. I have fine hair that tends to get oily. I'm using BB Pret-a-Powder to absorb oils, to get more volume, and it adds enough texture to help me create my style. Pret-a-Powder is nearly invisible in your hair, but it gives you great volume. It helps absorb extra oil at the crown. My hair feels a lot cleaner, it has so much volume and texture, and it smells great. Now I have enough volume and texture to create an updo. First, I'm going to start braiding on the side of my head. Pret-a-Powder's added texture is going to help me create this style. I'm securing it with an elastic and pinning it into place. And now for some added texture, I'm going to add some more of the Pret-a-Powder.